Hello there and welcome to your daily Qigong practice. Today I'm going to guide you through a gentle full body routine that is great for the joints. It will get your whole body moving, help you to stretch and improve circulation. So you can do it first thing in the morning to get your day started, or pretty much any time during the day if you want to move, recharge and refresh. But before we begin, if you're new to my channel, you probably have a lot to discover. But if you're looking for more structured videos, would like to learn courses like the 8 pieces of brocades or the 5 animal Qigong, consider joining my membership site. I'm going to link more information for you in the description below this video. Go ahead and get ready and let's begin today's practice. Begin in a standing position and take a moment here to adjust your posture, adjust your alignment, making sure that your feet firmly planted on the ground, that you feel your body weight, you feel the gravity. Unlock your knees, relax your hips. The next stage is bring your tailbone slightly forward to help you relax and open through the lower back. So we're moving from standing like this into standing like this. Then keep your spine nice and straight, shoulders relaxed. Bringing the chin slightly in to help us open through the back of the neck. Relax the muscles of the face. Maybe put a half smile or full smile if you're in a good mood. And then continue extending upwards through the top of the head. So just finding yourself elongating upwards, but at the same time relaxing down. And let's begin by warming up our feet. And today we're going to use an exercise that is fun to do. Reminds you of kind of pedaling. And as we do that, we're also going to activate the fingers. One at a time, squeeze your palm and release. Just get into rhythm. Feeling your feet, feeling your hands. Slowly begin to awaken the body, activating the muscles and stimulating the points. Very good. Just a few more seconds here. And slow it down. This is fun. Shake it loose. And then bring your feet together. We're going to warm up the knees, slow and steady. Making sure that you have a good pace, a good range of motion without causing any trouble. Once more. And then open up through the back of the knee, change the direction. Usually want to do maybe 6 to 9 times. Depends how much time you have. Good. Last one for us. Again, press it out to open and stretch the back of the knees and come out safely. Adjust your feet. We're going through the hip rotation next. I have my 2 dogs here with me today. They kind of behind the scenes, but they very interested in something, so they keep kind of searching the area. Maybe an animal passed through last night or something. So if they cause a little bit of noise at the background, forgive me. Good. When you're ready, change the direction. Just nice and steady. Especially if you're practicing first thing in the morning, just begin to awaken the muscles. Avoid forcing or straining too much. Good. Come back to center. Relax. Moving on. Shoulder rotation. Open up through the upper back, upper chest. Have them some space through the shoulders. Last one to the back. Then move forward. And once more. Very good. Big circles outward. Alternating the hands. See how you feel. Opening through the chest. Very, very good. Okay, shake it loose. From here, make your hands into a loose fist, hiding your thumb inside, and we're going to quickly rotate the wrist. And then the other way. Same here, 6 to 9 repetitions. Perfect. And then keeping your hands closed, we're going to activate the elbows. So the hands are always touching front and back. Just kind of rolling at the back of the hands and then opening, rolling back. Notice that motion in your elbow joint. Very good. Once more. Out. Relax. Shake it loose. Just a quick break, quick reset. From here, we're going to do an exercise called the fountain. So fantastic exercise to open the hips, to work your back, to work your shoulders and the muscles of the neck. So the posture here is quite important. So when you go down, making sure that you're sending the weight, all the heavy load should go on your legs and not on your lower back. So when you're going down, feel this weight distribution, minimizing stress and tension on your lower back. When you're coming up, also bringing that effort from your feet up, because I see a lot of people just kind of moving the lower back, and that can cause you a lot of trouble in the long run. So big joints, big muscles, they need to work hard more than the lower back area. So feet are a little wider than the shoulders, and then hands go up, palms flipped, looking at the back. Inhale. And on an exhale, with the straight back, you begin to sink your way down. Probably the side view is better. You see, I'm not going forward, I'm going down. And then as I open my chest, head turns, eyes follow the hand to exercise the muscles of the neck, and you're coming back up. Inhale, and on the exhale, going down again. Open the chest, coming back up. Finding your rhythm, trying to find a way to link your breath to the movement. Inhale as we go up. Exhale, forward. It's okay to have a slightly rounded upper back, maybe dropping your chin forward, but making sure when you're coming up, you're really making an effort from your legs. Okay. Just moving slowly, no rushed movement, no abrupt movements. It's very soft. If you notice, I'm putting very little effort. I'm aware, I feel the opening in my chest. I keep my shoulders relaxed. My breath is soft. Everything feels fairly natural. No exerted effort, no tension. I want you to embrace that. I want you to cultivate that softness. Very good. Going up. And then let your hands fall down naturally. Again, aware of the knee positioning. Let your hands swing to the back. Bring them in. This time with a rounded back. Begin to open up like a flower, opening towards the sun first in the morning. Hands fall down the sides. Your eyes follow the hand. You're sinking down again, not bending forward, sinking down. And then round it up, lengthening, opening through the entire spine. Open your chest, sink down. Very, very good. Just a few more times here. And once more. Open up. Bring your hands in and let them relax. Good. Bring your feet together. Place both hands on your abdomen. A little centering exercise to finish today's practice. So trying to keep the good posture, relaxing. Take a nice big breath in through the side. Gathering the chi from nature, from the environment, and then bringing it down to settle and be stored in your lower dantian. Breathing in, breathing out. Our hands are moving the energy, so the position of the hand here is facing the ground to let the energy travel downward. Breathing in, just feeling those lines through your body, top of the head, the spinal cord, the front and the back of the body. Having those lines open, clear, so the energy can travel freely without any obstruction. And just finding yourself pouring into the good chi, replenishing, refilling the reserves, feeling yourself centered, aligned, and grounded. One more time, breathing in, breathing out. Let your hands rest on your abdomen, just below your navel. Put that smile back on your face. Moment of gratitude to be able to practice, to be able to move your body freely, to be able to breathe and see and hear. Fantastic abilities of our human nature. Finish your practice on that positive note. I hope you enjoyed it, and let me know how it goes for you in the comments below this video. And don't forget to subscribe to stay notified whenever I upload the next video. Until next time, I wish you great health, keep well, and I'll see you soon.